My name is Gary Papermaster, and I'm the Vice President of Industrial Painting Specialists. Industrial Painting Specialist is a job shop wet coatings painting facility. We do whatever our customers hire us to do. We don't have a specific product. We don't do production work. Whatever comes through the door is what we paint. One opportunity or project that we recently completed was blasting and spraying straight pipe for Xcel Energy at their nuclear power facility at Prairie Island. In the process of doing that work, we became familiar with a sales representative for Belzona by the name of Leroy Johnson. He was extremely helpful and extremely knowledgeable. This is a product that we were unfamiliar with, and we were somewhat intimidated by the difficulty in spraying and by the cost associated with the purchase of the product. Without Leroy's help, it would have been very difficult. Leroy had the knowledge of the product, he had the knowledge of the equipment that sprayed the product, he knew how to correctly prepare the substrate so we would have a success in spraying it. When there were problems with the equipment or when there were problems with the product, Leroy was able to suggest corrections or suggestions that we could do to avoid it in the future. Overall, it's been a very positive experience, and I highly commend Leroy and his efforts. In addition to helping us get the work done, he also was instrumental in writing specifications for Xcel Energy for the product in the first place. He further wrote performance specifications and work specifications for us, so we didn't need to prepare a specific specification for in-house use. Leroy provided it for us. Overall, he taught us and he held our hand, and all we really had to do was pull the trigger, and we're grateful for his help. We actually sprayed out over 100 gallons of 1341 over a 6-week period. We run 2 shifts here, and because of this project being fairly intense, we were working at both shifts. And when you're in the process of spraying and something goes wrong, you really can't shut down because of all the product you would lose. And we found Leroy available. We had his cell phone, which he answered 24 hours a day. He was there when we needed him. He came up here late at night to advise our people how to repair the equipment that we were spraying with, the equipment not being ours but being supplied by Xcel Energy. So with Leroy's help, we were actually able to repair the equipment at night on the run. I wouldn't have entered into it if I didn't trust in Leroy's ability to nurse us through it, because really we were not qualified without his help. He gave us the one component that we were missing, and that was the technical knowledge of how to deal with the product. It made all the difference in the world.